friends, welcome to Pinky's Kitchen. Today I am going to make cauliflower curry. It can be called as kosha. So for this what I need, take a look. For foron we need gota cumin. It can be called zira as a whole, okay? Cauliflower already boiled, potato, sliced tomatoes and the green chilies which is already cut into two portions. The spices are red chili powder, salt, sugar, ginger paste, jeera powder, dhania powder, haldi powder and mustard oil for cooking. Now just to give the cauliflower into the mustard oil as like this. Now fry the cauliflower pieces as like this until it turns into red color. The cauliflowers fried well. Now my second step is to give the jeera foron. Now give jeera as foron. Let it crackles. After this foron, I am just giving the green chilies. Slice tomatoes. And to stir continuously for 1 minute. After frying tomatoes 1 minute, I am just adding all the spices. Haldi powder, salt, red chili powder, sugar as per requirement, ginger paste, dhania powder, jeera powder and again to fry another 1 minute. Coming back after 1 minute. As you see, all the tomatoes already cooked into this gravy. I am now putting the potatoes. Again to fry and mix it well with these spices for another 1 minute because I not fried the potatoes or boiled it earlier. So you have to fry it for another 1 minute. Removing the lid and see. The masala is well cooked. Now to add the cauliflower into it and fry it well again until and unless the oil releases from the masala. Again to fry for 1 minute. Nothing to do now, just add lukewarm water into it. As much as gravy or kosha you want to keep. Friends, at that time I forgot to tell you, if you have fresh coriander leaves, then you can also add after the cooking. Friends, now I am opening the lid and as the I mentioned you, just I forget to tell you about coriander leaves. Now I am adding the coriander leaves. Again to stir it well. My cauliflower curry is ready to serve now. Just coming after serving it in a bowl. Friends, my cauliflower curry is ready to serve now. It can be called as fulkopir kosha or gobi curry. And remember friends, it is a veg item. It can be used as puja, during puja, bhog. Thanks for watching Pinky's Kitchen. Thanks a lot.